Did they get it?
No.
No? They're getting close?
No.
Those seagulls are trying to get your bread?
No.
No? What do you see in the road in front of us?
Buffaloes.
Buffaloes.
How's it in the middle?
They're in the middle of the road.
She's down
That one's running. Oh, he's gonna bonk that one. He's gonna bonk that other one. See him?
They're the ones that are fighting.
They are fighting, aren't they?
Oh.
They're not being nice. Hope they don't try to fight my car.
Where's going?
He's gonna go. He's gonna come eat your bread. Watch this guy. Give me your bread.
Oh,
Give me your bread. Give me your bread. Quick.
no.
Give me your bread.
I want to. I want to.
Give me your
You
bread.
do.
Oh, I dropped it. There you go. There you go. You can pet him. See, he's a good. See him?
Yeah.
You want to give him a piece of bread?
No.
Here, give me
I
some.
want to. I want to.
Why not?
Kill me.
He's gonna start eating my car if you don't feed him. Here. There you go. There you go, bud. There you go. He's a good cow. Moo. Okay, we're moving on now. Gotta get your head out of my car. Okay, watch out. Don't hurt my car. There's a baby one. You wanna get the baby one some? Here, get the baby one some.
No.
Get the baby one. There you go. Give him some. Give some to the baby. Good job, Cody.
Hey, not you.
He's just one over here too. How you doing, bud?
You beat
He
him.
snotted me with his boogers. Oh, wait.
Two.
Yeah, you got me real good. Just car.
Okay, you
Okay.
got to wait.
We're getting out of here. Come on. Keep going. Hey, gotta move your head. Okay.
Move your
Watch
head.
out. Move your heads.
I know what.
Give him some bread.
No.
Why not? You're silly.
You. Not the big
They want your bread. Bye.
one.
Yeah,
I
bud.
hide it.
Huh?
I hide it.
You hit it? Was that fun?
No.
What?
I didn't. Oh, dear.
A deer. Here's a little deer. It's Bambi.
Bambi?
Yeah, Bambi. You know what Bambi is?
No. Hey, can I film some?
I gotta walk over here to get it though.